Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, so that means that we have another review. Let's find out what is in this padded bag. So I think most of the stores have gone to these padded bags. It's really nice. All right, you get it out of this bag. All right, we have 3 stamped cross-stitch kits, and they come from the FGNormal store. And if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. Now, I know that they are having a 20% off site-wide sale. And if you buy a spring kit, you get 23% off. So, I guess let's start with the crunchy one first. And let me get this open. All right, and here it is. Yeah, we're buying Christmas stuff, Christmas, winter stuff already. Might as well, right? But yeah, this is a Yishu kit, and it is 40 by 40, and it was $9.06. So let's take a look at this paper pattern. It does come with all the information on how to start and how to finish on it. And yeah, it's got 35 colors. It's 147 by 147. So there is a lot of background yellow symbol, that is, and it's 3865. Other than that, we have 154, which is mulberry, 310 black, 498, which is a brick red, 666 red, and 814, which is another brick red. Not sure about 900. We'll have to see when we get there. And 3865 for this yellow part here. So very nice indeed. And this blue, all that blue you see right in here, and it goes all the way around the whole picture. It is the 814 brick red, but nicely done pattern. This is an 11 count. So they have another one, I'm not sure, it has something to do with the truck, but I can't remember, but I just happen to love old trucks. Yeah, I think they're cool. Let's see what we got over here. We're going to need that back, though. Hang on. We're trying to get, it does have a toolkit, and it has another plastic container with the needles, thimble, and needle threader. So I'm glad that they're doing that now. I don't know why they just started doing that, but they did. Now what I needed this paper pattern for is I want to match everything up. Product number is 9281, 9281, and 9281. So everything should be there. It all matches together. Let's open this up if I can. The crinkly one will be in box. Let me just set that aside. And they are on the thread drops. Let me get it apart. Beautiful reds, brick reds, browns. Just absolutely gorgeous colors. There's kind of a dark salmon, and your 310 black, and your 38651. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful colors. This is your 666 red. Beautiful. We even have some greens in there, of course, because it's kind of a Christmas picture. Oh my goodness, did I miss that? Holy cow, gotta look at something. Got to look. Oh, I got so excited. I thought that's what that was. I thought it was 550. That is 154. So it's kind of a mulberry color. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Stunning. This is going to be a parade of colors in these kits. I'm going to put this back in its bag so I know where and what it goes to. And I do have plenty of rings that I can put all the threads on. Let's take a look at that canvas. Let me lay that over there. Sorry for the reaching. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. It's going to have some, just a little bit of confetti, but not too horribly bad. I think the worst part of it is the skip. You know, when you're, okay, there's a little bit of blue here, a little bit blue. It's just stoppy-starty, but I like the picture. I think it's beautiful. Let's measure this while we got this out. It's a little over 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches, so it's not too big. And this way it is a little over 39 centimeters or about 15 inches. The actual picture size is, a little over 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 34 centimeters or almost 13 inches. So it's a nice size. There's a lot of bigger areas to stitch, so we will see. Of course, you're going to have a little confetti here because you're going to have, I believe, there's like white lights. I thought maybe there was like different colored lights. You could do that up however you wanted. Instead of just using the solid white color in there, instead of colored lights, you could put whatever colors struck your fancy. It's your kit. You can do with it as you please. All right. Let me get rid of these scissors before I drop them on my foot. Yeah, because, you know, that could happen. Now we're going to save that one till last. Let's do this one. All right. The next one is a Joy Sunday kit. It is 22 by 20. It was $3.87. Get the bag open. Holy cow. Keep your fingers crossed. Here we go, guys. I always hold my breath every time I open a Joy Sunday. And it was ruined. Damn it. Yep, I'm not even going to, I will tell them about it. I'll let you see what the picture was. Yep. This one was ruined. At least the threads don't smell like mold or mildew. I mean, I suppose, you know, push come to shove. It does have a nice pattern. You could do it counted wise if you wanted to, but, you know, wash the canvas and then do it as a counted kit, but no. It's not why I ordered it. So, yeah, you can see it was totally ruined. Moving on. Okay. Hold your breath again. We got one more Joy Sunday. Man, I hope it wasn't wet. It's not wet now. I mean, but somewhere along the line. Oh, this one looks nice. Hang on. Now, this one, I saw that Jill of Jill Green here on YouTube had this. I think she got it earlier in the season somewhere. I can't remember when exactly she got it, but yeah. They have this in case you're interested. They have it in printed and they have it in counted cross stitch. And it is called Joyful Christmas Vacation. There is a lot of back stitching in this, but it's all broke down. And I don't, nope, the lettering is not on the canvas. Sometimes they do that. So you could just do one and go on and do them one at a time, or if you're not like me, you can just do all the lettering and get it over with. I don't know. It is 36 by 47, and I don't have a price. I will put that right in here. But yeah, I just thought it was cute, and there's 12 of these, so yeah. It says, to all a good night. And it says, it's Christmas time in the city. This says, deck the halls, dashing through the snow. Baby, it's cold outside. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I'll be home for Christmas. Not a creature is stirring. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa Claus is coming to town. Have a holly jolly Christmas and a partridge in a pear tree. So, cool. Yeah, I thought it'd be nice to work on at Christmas. I'm trying to put that over there, Laura. Okay. It is 161 by 216. And it does have 2 sets of numbers. There are only 16 full colors. You have a 3/4 stitch, 1, and 6 colors in back stitch. We have no 310 black. We have 606 and 666 red. We have B5200 for the white. I'm not seeing any dark black. So we have dark blues. Maybe a charcoal color, like a pale charcoal. So yeah, not a real big, color palette, but I think it'll be beautiful. Just gorgeous. Now, talk about boring. Going all the way around and all the way around. Yeah. But at least it's marked for you, so you can't make a mistake, That's about half of my problem when I'm doing counted. And those other ones that they had back, that were all together, but each, like, what is it? Hawk Run Hollow. Yeah. But very nicely printed patterns. And the back stitching seems to be, here and there, just a little nominal on each picture, except for the writing. But nice and big and easy to see. So, yeah, I am thrilled about that one. I can hardly wait to start it. I know Christmas isn't here yet, and it's not even December, right? Let's take a look at these colors. There's your 606, 666. And that color is kind of a dark mocha, if you will. That's the darkest color you got in that whole color palette. So, and some turquoise and kind of a turquoise dark. Some gold and red. You could doll this up however you want. But the pictures are nice and simple. And they look easy to stitch. I don't see a confetti problem. Let me pull it out here. But see what I mean? The pictures are nice and easy to do. You can do as much back stitching to your heart's content. But yeah, I just loved it. Nice, big, easy to see symbols on the bottom. The product numbers that were on the top, or on the front page, and the name. So yeah, let's take a measure of this. Let's see, 47 centimeters, or 18.5 inches, by 36.5 centimeters, or a little over 14.25 inches. And I'm not sure where to measure, so we're going to measure from the dark line. It's almost 11.5 inches this way, or 29 centimeters. Because I don't think you stitched that dark color. So, trying to get it as accurate as I can. And this way it is 39 centimeters, or a little bit over 15¼ inches. But yeah, I think it'll be beautiful. I really do. And it looks way easier to stitch than the 12 Days of Christmas that I have hidden somewhere over there somewhere. Yeah, I passed it up looking for something else the other day and went, oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, it's a piece of work. So this looks way simpler. It'd be a great kit for a beginner. You could learn how to do back stitching. There's no French knots, no half cross stitches. It's, I don't know where this 3/4 stitch goes. Maybe somewhere. Perhaps I'm not even seeing what could possibly have that. So, yeah. All right. Well, thank you, FGNormal. Now I know that they will honor the fact that the other one got wet and reissue me another one. So I appreciate that. Thank you for these beautiful kits. Now, FGNormal has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number, tools and crafts for all of that. They even have beaded cross stitch. They always have a wide selection, great sales, so get in on these sales early while you can if you're looking for a present or a gift or to make a gift, you know, for somebody for Christmas. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. I sure appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.